Get your copy this Christmas of Parenting Without Tears.
Get your copy of Parenting Without Tears this Christmas.
It is the show, the real show. Join me, let us enjoy it together this week, and don't forget to subscribe.
Welcome to this week's edition of Universal Parenting Clinic. On this show today, I'll be discussing why it is important to celebrate your child in parenting. Celebrate, celebrate, it's Christmas time. Celebrate, celebrate, it's Christmas time. If you love your children and you want to show, if you love your family and you want to show it, celebrate, celebrate, it's Christmas time. Celebrate, celebrate, it's New Year time.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to everyone. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to everyone.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
I wish you all Merry Christmas, joyful Christmas, fruitful Christmas, and a glorious New Year.
Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.
A Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas and a 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 Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all of you. Thank you for subscribing and God bless you.
To every one of you, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, God bless you.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
It is good in life to celebrate and be celebrated. Celebrate moments of achievements with your child because that will give him or her motivation to do more. Celebrate specific moments with him or her too. Remember his birthday, the school prize giving days, footballing days, and days of sport excellence. Every of such moments that mean much to your child should be celebrated. Celebrate Christmas and the New Year days with that child too. If you can afford it and when you have planned holidays, enjoy moments of joy and happiness with your children. Celebrate with your child because that also gives something to look forward to. And such events promotes joy and happiness in the family. It creates that sense of achievements and fulfillment in your child, which in turn creates the test to achieve and desire more success to be celebrated. Don't deny your child those moments. Let the family celebrate together always. It doesn't have to be lavish or expensive. You don't need to spend much money. You can celebrate with the little or much you can afford. Don't overstress yourself and don't push yourself into indebtedness. This topic and related topics will also be treated too on this show on how to avoid indebtedness in parenting. Don't let the whole experience be that of mere complaints, corrections, or punishments. When you celebrate your child at moments of excellence, it lives in that child the sense of fairness, excitement, and balance, which gives him or her an option to choose good behavior, which will create moments of celebration over those other negative behaviors for which he knows he will be punished. It creates the atmosphere of joy and victory of good over evil. It also boosts the confidence of children and gives the feel-good factor, which no parent want to deny his or her children, especially in their days of youth. You also need to be celebrated too. Teach your children to celebrate you and celebrate with you. On your birthday, marriage anniversary, excellent achievements and promotions at work. Accept and encourage special greeting cards and text messages from your child too. This promotes the culture of joy, happiness, togetherness, unity, and celebration in the family. Celebrating your child will help to promote friendship and family bond. It gives the child the feeling of being appreciated and valued. The above development motivates joyful atmospheres which promotes well-being and healthy growth. It removes boredom, feelings of depression and frustration that also stimulates healthy relationship between children and their parents. Atmosphere of relaxation and happiness help to build the immune system too. Please, at every opportunity that the occasion warrants or presents, celebrate your child and celebrate with your children. May reasons for celebration not cease from your family, and may your seasons of celebration not be cut off. Your children will continually be sources of rejoicing and celebration to you. Remember, celebrate your child despite and in spite of whatever may come your way. May joyful moments, success, promotion, good health, excitement, blessings, and breakthroughs that promote celebration and rejoicing not depart from your habitation in Jesus' name. Please remember, celebrate your child and celebrate every child. Celebrate with your child. Rejoice with those that are rejoicing too. People will rejoice with you over your children. You will celebrate and be celebrated continuously. Thanks to our numerous friends on Facebook who are watching this show passionately every week. Thanks also to those who have subscribed to our YouTube channel freely. Thanks to those who have bought their copy of the book Parenting Without Tears. I also thank those who do press the thumb up button, those who ensure they leave comments after watching our YouTube show, and those who always send feedback to us regularly too. I do sincerely hope that you too will join this group of people today. Please subscribe now and follow us too on other social media platforms. That's the show this week on Universal Parenting Clinic. I believe strongly that through this Universal Parenting Clinic and with proper understanding of the book, Parenting Without Tears, together, we all can promote wellness in families and in the world. We can stop the tears from children, parents, and families. We can kick racism, fraud, incivility, corruption, wickedness, several addictions, violence, and the series of antisocial behaviors out of all families and the whole world. And at the same time, we can promote all the positive desires and aspirations towards the well-being of the children, parents, and the world at large. Till I come your way again next week by God's grace, I am the parenting advocate in the house, Michael Gbenga Bibilari, MGB, Mr. Parenting. Let celebration be your way of life in parenting. Think parenting. Be positive in parenting. Talk parenting. Be passionate about parenting. Don't just be a parent. Stop portioning. Be a responsible parent. A real parent. A parent indeed. Parent well.